Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I am sharing with you how to make fura. Fura is a popular dish in the northern part of Nigeria. I will be using millet, cloves, dried pepper, black pepper, dried ginger. To the millet I'll add cloves, dried pepper, black pepper, dried ginger. I will transfer them inside a blender. Be sure to wash the millet and dry the millet before use. Millet contains a lot of dirt, so it needs to be washed before use. I will grind the millet into powder form. Once the millet is nicely grounded, I will transfer it through a strainer and strain. I'll remove some of the millet flour for coating. Add room temperature water gradually and mix it together. It's important to add water gradually so it doesn't get too runny. Keep mixing it until you get a dough-like texture. It should be like this, just like dough. Mold the millet into little balls. Like so. But I'm going to be creating a hole in the middle of it just like donuts so it can cook through easily. I'll repeat this process until everything is done. The millet is nicely rolled out. It's time to cook them. I have some water boiling on the stove. Add the millet inside the boiling water and cook them from 40 minutes to an hour until the millet are cooked through. After some time of cooking, I'll come and give them a stir so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Cover and leave a little space so the liquid is not boiling out. After 40 minutes of cooking, I'll check. And at this point, the millet is nicely cooked. I'll remove the millet from the stove, transfer the millet inside a bowl. At this point, you can transfer the millet inside a mortar and pound it like pounded yam. I don't have a mortar that can do the job. I'll use a hand blender instead. You can use any blender of your choice as well. You will know the millet is cooked through when it has a uniform color like what you can see in this video. Add some of the liquid the millet was cooked in it. And blend. The millet dough should not be too hard and it should not be too soft. Once it's nicely blended or pounded, I'll remove the hand blender. Remove the grounded millet from the bowl. Repeat the process until everything is done. It's time to roll the fura. I'm using ice cream scoop to scoop so I can have equal size. And I'll roll the fura into little balls. Like this, and I'll be repeating this process until everything is done. All the furas are nicely rolled out. I'll set that aside. In a bowl, add some of the millet flour we took out earlier on for coating. Add the furas inside the bowl. Roll the bowl just like this and coat all the fura until they are nicely coated, and this is to prevent the fura from drying out. Once they are nicely coated, shake out any excess millet flour from the fura and remove them from the bowl. I'll repeat this process until all the furas are nicely coated. Fura is ready. Let me show you how to enjoy it. Add some of the fura balls in a cup or a bowl. Add yogurt or cultured milk. Add sugar. You can mash with a spoon. I'll still use the hand blender because it's way easier. Fura is my favorite Hausa dish. I grew up in the north and I schooled there as well. I have tasted lots of Hausa dishes, but Fura happens to be my favorite one. Making this video takes me back to my childhood. I always look forward for Fura donono. Fura has this spicy taste, it's sweet and it's sour. Very delicious and refreshing. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!